If you're looking for ways in which you can make money online, then this video is for you. I'll be revealing this platform to you where you can perform small tasks to make money. So if you're a student, a stay-at-home mom or dad, or you're looking for ways in which you can earn money passively or actively online, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, kindly subscribe. Join the team by subscribing to learn tips on how to make money with or without capital. Yes, so today, remember I shared how to make money, how to make up to 1,000 Naira performing tasks on a certain website some times ago. So today I'll be showing you a video to still show that this site still works. Yes, I'll be showing you how to withdraw live withdrawal of up to 10,000 Naira from the platform. Yeah, so Nairaworkers is a platform in which you perform tasks and also refer, then you make money. In total about 10,000 Naira. Yes, 10,000 Naira. And not that I've not even been performing tasks, I've been doing more of referrals, making those money from referrals, from people who joined the platform through my link. Not really been performing tasks and I've earned that much. So what if I now perform tasks? I would have made more than that. Yes, and please note that I'm not influencing for them. Yes, the last time I requested for withdrawal on that platform was February this year. Yeah, February this year. And since then, within February till now, this is April 3rd, yes, I have not made any tasks, I have not performed any tasks, and I've made up to 10,000 Naira already. So I'll be making a live withdrawal today to show you that yes, this site still works perfectly and you can still make money using the site. Yes, you might not make bulk of money, but I think that money also helps a bit. Yes, 10,000 Naira a year, 5,000 Naira, there's still money. Yes, I only came across them online and I tried it out and I saw that it was working. So please, I'm not influencing for them. This is not a paid gig. Yes, so it's just me bringing out something working to you guys so you can also make money, since you know that I am all about how to make money passively or actively, online or offline. So please let me take you now to my screen to make withdrawal, and also once it drops I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back. So here is the site. Please, if you love to register on this site, please use the link in the description box and also the link in the comment section. So I'll put a link down in the description box of this video and also in the comment section. It will be pinned in the comment section. So I have an account before, so these are my login details. So I'll just go ahead and sign in. Yeah, so I'm signing in now. So here is what it looks like. So it's actually a platform where you can perform tasks to earn money. If you need people to perform tasks for you, you can also hire workers, hire people who do your tasks, and you pay them some certain amount of money, and you can also choose to perform tasks to earn money. So I want to go to my wallet now. So this is just to show people that are saying, oh, it's scam, it's not working. That's not true. Anything I'm not sure of, I won't bring it to this channel. Yeah, so that's my wallet. So I want to show you what it looks like. So here is it, and please note that I don't even perform tasks on this site because I really do not have time. If I was performing tasks, I would have even earned more than this. Most nights usually just referral bonus, that's what I have. Yeah, so in total I have withdrawn 10,600 Naira in total. So I have 11,868 Naira 95 kobo there now. Yeah, so I want to withdraw that now. So I've withdrawn 10,600 Naira already, and these are just referral bonus, not even tax. Yes, I don't have time to perform tax any longer. So this is how much I have. So now I want to transfer earnings before I'll be able to withdraw. You can see that the 11,000 plus is under referral earnings. Yes, my work funds, my tax earning is about 281 Naira. So now I need to transfer my referral bonus so that I can be able to withdraw. So I'll just click transfer bonus so you can see. So I'll go ahead and transfer. I want to transfer it to my wallet. So the fund transfer was successful. So now if I check here now, you can see that total fund is now 11,868 Naira. You can see that the money under the referral earnings has gone to the tax earning. So now I can now withdraw. So I'll just click withdraw now. So the minimum withdrawal is usually 2,000 naira. Yes, that's the least you can withdraw on this platform, and their withdrawals are usually processed every Friday. But to get your payment on Friday, you need to make withdrawal before 12 a.m. Thursday. Yeah, so any withdrawal you want to make, please process it by or not before Thursday 12 a.m. Yeah, so you get your payment during the weekend, Friday or Saturday. Yeah, so now I have my details already. If you've not linked to your bank account, you can come here under this profile. Yeah, so this is where you link your details. If you have a bank account you want to link, this is where you do everything. So this is my own details. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll just go back now. I want to go back to my wallet so I can withdraw my 11,000 plus. Yes, so money for pepper soup is available already. Yeah, so I'll just click withdraw funds now. So I want to click withdraw funds. So these are my account details. I already linked my account details already. If you want to see the way I linked I'll put the video while I also recorded that video where I linked my bank details. I'll put it somewhere on the screen, and it will also be linked in the description box below. Please check it out. So now I want to withdraw. I will do 11,000 naira. I want to withdraw 11,000 naira. So I'll submit my request now. So I want to submit. So you can see the withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Once the money drops, I'll let you guys know. I'll make a screen record to show you the money, or a screenshot of the credit alert. Yeah, so somewhere on the screen as well will attach previous screenshots of withdrawals I've made. I think I've made withdrawals about 3 times or there about 2 times. I'll also attach the screenshot of the withdrawal as well. So it's as simple as that. So for people saying that it's not working, I don't know, maybe you guys are not doing the right thing, or maybe you want to withdraw less than 2,000 naira. Please note that the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira. You can't withdraw anything less than 2,000 naira. So you can start referring. I actually made bulk of the money, the 20,000 plus I've made on this platform. I made the bulk of it via referrals. Yes, via referrals. So you can start referring, but please and please, like I said in the previous videos, I'm not an influencer for them. I am not in any way influencing for them. I only came across this website and I felt that okay, it could benefit my subscribers and my viewers. That was why I brought it here to this platform to show you guys. I'm not influencing for them. I wasn't paid to influence this. No, I wasn't paid. Yeah, so I'm just sharing with you as I learn. I share with you guys. So that's just it. So I will let you know once the money drops in my account. So now after I made that withdrawal of 11,000 naira, I have 838 naira 95 kobo. So that's it. Let's go to my withdrawal history. Can you see these are my withdrawal history? So you can see that there was a time I made withdraw 2,050 naira twice. I made 2,500 naira. I made another 4,000. I made another 3,000, and I'm making another 11,000. So this 3,000 is still paid because I think I was asked to make to drop my review on a certain platform, but I've not really had time. So tonight I'll make sure I tidy up those parts so I can get the 11,000 and the 3,000 naira out together. So that's it. I'll show you guys what are the next. Once I get paid, I'll show you guys. So that's all for this platform. Please let me know if you've been making money via this platform. Actually, from my referral downline, I can see that some people have been actually making money. So if you've tried this website and you've made at least a successful withdrawal, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Yes, if you need a one-on-one section with me or a mentorship section, I offer such. I'll put the link to book a section with me in the comment section and also in the description box of this video. Please check it out. So please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Till I come your way next time.